Every year, millions of people over 50 lose their mobility or end up relying on walkers and canes not just because of aging, but because they're missing out on one simple piece of information that could change everything about how they move, sleep, and live. Most don't even realize that a single overlooked issue might already be stealing their strength, comfort, and independence. If you feel like your balance is fading, your legs are growing weaker, or those sudden cramps are ruling your nights, you do not want to skip this video. Picture this. You're lying in bed, finally drifting off to sleep, when your calf tightens in a burning pain, or you're out for a gentle walk, and every other step feels like your muscles could buckle beneath you. Maybe you chalk it up to dehydration, overdoing it, or just getting older. But the real answer is hiding in plain sight. Have you ever wondered why these pains show up out of nowhere? Or why so many healthy seniors still struggle no matter how much water they drink or how well they eat? The truth is, beneath the surface, after age 50, your body changes the way it handles minerals. Even small imbalances can start to send loud warning signs: night cramps, shuffling steps, stumbles, restless sleep, tingling, or that constant ache that makes every movement feel like work. If you find yourself reaching for the pain creams or just pushing through, ask yourself, what am I missing? This video is for educational purposes only and should not be considered medical advice. Today, I'll show you the 6 key minerals your body relies on to keep your muscles, nerves, and bones strong and comfortable. These aren't obscure supplements or trendy secrets. These are minerals your body absolutely needs every single day, especially as you enter your 50s, 60s, and beyond. Science shows that most adults over 50 don't even realize they're running low. What's more, when even one of these 6 dips below its ideal range, things can go downhill fast. Cramps, poor balance, exhaustion, and that sense that your body just isn't listening to your brain. But the good news is, with the right minerals and the right balance, you can get back on track and reclaim so much of the energy and ease that aging tries to chip away. Let me begin this countdown with a mineral that's often ignored, but could very well be the reason your cramps never fully disappear. Iron. Most of us think iron is just about energy, or maybe just for young folks who are worried about anemia. But new research out of the University of Pennsylvania has forced us to look again. Their study with 200 adults over age 65 found something amazing. Just having a mildly low iron level can make leg cramps up to 3 times more likely. Imagine your muscles as engines, needing not just fuel, but oxygen. Iron is like the delivery driver. It shuttles oxygen right to your muscle cells. When iron is low, your muscles run out of oxygen fast and start to spasm, especially during rest and sleep. The study saw that people with blood iron below 60 micrograms per deciliter ended up suffering an average of 12 leg cramps every month. Those who kept their levels above 90 had fewer than 2. Does eating spinach or red meat actually help? For seniors, it's not so simple. As we age, our stomachs make less acid, so our bodies get worse at pulling iron out of food. Animal sources, like lean red meat or beef liver, provide heme iron, which our bodies can absorb easily. One serving of beef liver alone can provide several days' worth. Plant sources, like spinach or lentils, only get absorbed at a fraction of that rate. But here's a tip. A little vitamin C goes a long way. Eating orange slices or bell pepper with your iron-rich foods can triple the amount you absorb. And an old family trick, cooking tomato sauce or chili in a cast iron pan, can add extra iron right into your food. But, and this is crucial, never take an iron supplement blindly. Too much can be harmful. Doctors recommend that men and women over 50 only take iron if testing shows they need it. The target is about 8 milligrams a day, split up across meals. And it's best to take it every other day if you do need extra. Remember, taking it with coffee, tea, or dairy can block absorption. while a small glass of orange juice can increase it. Once people boosted their iron to healthy levels in the study, their monthly cramps dropped by almost 2/3, and they had more energy for everything else, like getting upstairs or keeping up with grandkids. Now, iron doesn't work alone. In fact, there's another mineral that's just as important for both your muscles and your bones: calcium. We all grow up hearing that calcium builds strong bones, but most don't realize how essential it is for muscle movement. 2. Here's what's happening every second. Calcium opens the gate for muscles to contract. Without enough, you can get those midnight Charlie horses, or your muscles might feel tight and sore even during normal activities. The trouble is, as we age, our bodies get pretty bad at absorbing calcium, even with plenty in our diet. In your 20s, you might absorb 60%, but after age 70, that drops dramatically, sometimes to 15% or less. How can you get enough? By splitting your calcium sources across the day. For example, a cup of Greek yogurt for breakfast, a glass of fortified orange juice with lunch, some sardines or cottage cheese in the evening. The science suggests your body can only absorb about 500 milligrams at a time, so spreading it out helps far more than a giant supplement once daily. Calcium citrate is often a better choice than the common calcium carbonate, especially if you take heartburn meds or if your stomach acid is low. And, just as with iron, your body needs a helper: vitamin D. Look for an evening snack that combines warm milk with a spoonful of blackstrap molasses. The warmth, plus the addition of a sweet, mineral-rich ingredient, can deliver a slow release of calcium and other minerals during the night. According to some studies, this routine significantly cuts down on nighttime cramps and appears to improve sleep quality as well. Calcium's invisible partner in muscle action is potassium, the unsung hero most seniors don't realize they're missing. Potassium. According to a Johns Hopkins study, nearly every adult over 60 runs low on potassium. This matters a lot. Potassium controls how nerve signals move throughout your body, making sure your muscles respond smoothly when they're supposed to contract or relax. Without enough, signals go haywire, leading to cramps, shaky balance, and sometimes even falls. What's even more concerning is that potassium deficiency tends to hide. Symptoms may look like tiredness, muscle pain, or just that feeling that climbing stairs is harder than it should be. Here's something most don't realize. Potassium supplements off the shelf are limited to tiny doses, not nearly enough to matter. So it's all about food, especially whole foods that your grandmother probably ate weekly. A single baked potato eaten with the skin provides almost 1,000 milligrams. Spinach, avocados, white beans, and especially beet greens each pack a punch. If you steam your vegetables, you keep almost all the potassium, but if you boil them, most drains away with the water, so use that water for soup or cooking rice to catch what you can. A practical way to meet your needs is a smoothie or salad that includes a banana, half an avocado, and maybe a cup of coconut water altogether. That's about half of what you'll need each day. The secret is to eat these foods at several points during your day for the steadiest effect. Potassium pairs best with magnesium, our next powerhouse mineral. Magnesium. If you've ever been to the ER with severe cramps, you've probably seen them give magnesium through an IV. That's because magnesium is nature's muscle relaxant. You can think of calcium as your accelerator and magnesium as the brake pedal. Without enough magnesium, your muscles lock up, and no amount of stretching or massaging really fixes the root issue. Now, here's why magnesium matters so much for older adults. Modern farming has stripped magnesium from our food. Even those eating salads and whole grains are getting a fraction of what they once would have. Medicines like water pills or heartburn drugs also deplete our magnesium stores. The best food sources today are pumpkin seeds, dark chocolate, almonds, and leafy greens like Swiss chard. Magnesium supplements come in many forms, but for most, magnesium glycinate is gentle on the stomach and highly absorbable. Take it on an empty stomach in the evening for best effect. If you struggle swallowing pills, a warm bath with Epsom salts is another way your skin soaks up magnesium, and you relax at the same time. Some researchers have even observed that topical sprays can relieve minor cramps in under 2 minutes. When you fine-tune your magnesium intake, you may notice more than just a reduction in cramping. Many report sleeping more soundly and feeling less anxious at bedtime. It's a straightforward change with big impacts on daily well-being. Ready for a surprise? The next essential is not really a mineral at all, but it's the master key that allows calcium, magnesium, and potassium to work together. Vitamin D. While we call it a vitamin, it actually acts as a hormone that controls over 200 processes in your body. Most importantly, it helps your muscles access the calcium and magnesium they need to function. If your vitamin D is low, your muscles might as well be running on empty. Researchers found that seniors with healthy vitamin D levels reported far fewer cramps and could walk faster, balance longer, and even sleep better. Here is the challenge. After age 65, your skin makes a lot less vitamin D, even if you're outside. In northern climates, sunlight alone simply isn't enough through much of the year. There are only a few foods that provide meaningful vitamin D: wild salmon, fortified milk, and egg yolks. That's why nearly every major health organization now recommends supplements, especially vitamin D3, which your body uses far better than the common D2. For best results, take your vitamin D with your main meal of the day, especially if it includes healthy fats like those from olive oil or fish. You'll want to check with your doctor about your current vitamin D level, as some people need higher doses than others. Around 2,000 units daily is a solid place to start for most over 60, but always make sure you're personalizing it. Vitamin D also needs a little help. Magnesium helps your body activate it, and vitamin K2 ensures that calcium goes to your bones and muscles rather than arteries. When vitamin D is where it should be, seniors in the study had more energy, fewer falls, and a dramatic reduction in both daytime and nighttime cramps. Taking vitamin D in the morning was also linked to better sleep, a tip that surprised many participants. Now, we arrive at number 6. This is a mineral that shocked even the researchers with its impact on muscle repair and recovery: zinc. While most people only think about zinc during cold season, it turns out to be essential for muscle health and repair, especially after the age of 60. Zinc activates hundreds of enzymes involved in maintaining and rebuilding your muscle fibers. So if you're low, not only are your muscles more prone to cramps, but they heal slower and remain tender for longer. Getting enough zinc is a challenge. Our ability to absorb it drops by half as we age. And foods high in fiber, things like whole grains or beans, bind up zinc, keeping it from being absorbed. Oysters are the best source by far, but not practical for most. Beef, shellfish, pumpkin seeds, and even some nuts contain reasonable amounts. Supplements can help, but the form matters greatly. Zinc picolinate is best absorbed, while some cheaper forms pass right through you. Take zinc in the evening with a little protein, like a small piece of cheese or some almonds, to maximize its effect. Be careful not to take zinc together with iron or calcium, since they compete for absorption in the gut. Studies from Stanford found that seniors who added zinc, especially in a high absorption form, noticed stronger muscles, fewer colds, quicker healing from cuts and scrapes, and even a sharpened sense of taste. But here's what really blew researchers away. When people optimized all these minerals together, iron, calcium, potassium, magnesium, vitamin D, and zinc, the improvements were far, far better than with just one alone. It was a kind of mineral symphony where each plays a vital part, but together, the effects multiply. In follow-up, seniors using a full mineral protocol felt steadier, regained independence for daily activities, and reported their best energy in years. How can you put this into action? It's best to build slowly. Begin with magnesium, either a supplement or an Epsom salt bath watch for changes after a week. Then add in zinc in the evening, vitamin D with your largest meal, and make gradual shifts to include more potassium and calcium-rich foods. If fatigue or frequent cramps persist, check with your doctor about iron levels, and if needed, supplement carefully. Here's a sample day. Iron-rich breakfast: potassium at lunch, calcium in the afternoon, magnesium after dinner, vitamin D with dinner, and zinc at bedtime with a small handful of nuts. Keeping a simple diary for 3 weeks lets you track cramp frequency and any changes in movement or sleep. Many people notice first improvements in just a week, with the biggest results after about 21 days. Balancing these 6 minerals rarely costs more than $30 a month, often less than many creams or pain relievers. The benefits, on the other hand, can extend beyond fewer cramps, less fatigue, stronger bones, better sleep, even improved mood and confidence in walking outdoors or up and down stairs. According to the latest research, correcting mineral imbalances may be the single most important step most people over 50 can take for muscle health and independence. The most important step is simply to get started. You do not need to figure this out all at once. Even introducing 1 or 2 changes can bring noticeable relief and encourage you to keep going. If you found these insights helpful or want more advice on healthy aging, please consider subscribing and turning on notifications. Your questions and stories mean a lot to us, so share what has worked for you or what you're struggling with, because together we're stronger. And don't forget to check out my related videos for more tips on staying active, energized, and independent as you age.